We going. Yo, what up?
Yo, man.
We turning this body up, man.
Man, you owe me some money.
Don't worry, baby. I got your money,
Goddamn
baby.
team right here.
I got your money now.
What about this?
How you do it? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna teach you all. Before the night's out, man, you guys are gonna have your game so tight that, man, you all don't even know what I'm gonna do, man. The game's gonna come to you without even knowing it. I'm gonna tighten you up. Me, myself, now, I'm the player of all players.
I was hoping to today be able to cut this tree down. I mean, well, you know, to chainsaw it and stack it up in the back over there, let it dry up a little bit. But it's raining out today, so I'm not going to be messing around with the chainsaw at all. I was kind of fortunate, right? Because, you know, again, like I said, now you can see it better than there's no snow. My pond, right, fell right over my pond. Missed all kinds of trees. It damaged my Bing a little bit. Messed it up a little bit. Just broke a couple little teeny branches off my Bing cherry, but it looks in good shape. As you can see, the water's sprinklers there are working just fine. I'm just glad a branch didn't go through, you know, my liner and mess up things there in my pond, and you know, mess up the liner, and then, you know, everything leak out. But it's all good. Looks. So this will be here for a few more days while the weather is still pretty bad. Over here you can look at my my grapefruit, my ruby red grapefruit, right? You can see, right? It's gone through ice and all that. I left it out here. I was gonna cover it and I got caught up. I was gonna throw a blanket over it, but I got caught up and I didn't, right? Didn't throw no blanket over it. But you can see, look at all the new growth right there that didn't get messed up in the frost. It's raining today. This is my my Snow Angel peach tree after the storm, and as you can see, I didn't lose too many flowers at all. This is definitely a tree that you want to add to your collection of trees on your property. I thought all my barley was gonna die due to you know, the heavy winds a few days ago and all the snow and ice that fell on it. But I thought it would die. I heard that, you know, it couldn't sustain any type of freeze, but you know, I don't know. It's growing good, so we're gonna keep rocking with it. So far, I have stripped this tree back just with this little thing here. Cutting all the branches off slowly, man. This is long, tiring, because those branches, when you cut them off, there's piles over there. I got some piles over there. I got some piles over there. Getting the wet ones out of the pond was something else. So I still got some to cut over there, but mainly I got the tree stripped down real good, and then tomorrow I'm gonna hit it with the chainsaw and chop it up and get this job done over here. Now the only reason I haven't used the chainsaw today is because this thing cuts really good. Those branches there, you know, it's tiring because, you know, you're sawing back and forth. But I haven't used the chainsaw because my wife is studying, and I cannot bother her. So But it's good. There's an overcast, a little drizzle out, and it's cool out, so it's not too bad. Get this done here. Got my sweater on. I don't want to take it off, because it's getting cold. But you can see where it broke the wire that was running from up there and bent all those poles back. That's where I have my wire trellis for these blackberries that are over here. But I'll get that back up once I get this tree cut up and out the way. So see, it goes all the way back down that way. And I already cut some about 6 feet off the tip down there. So this feet's a good 40 feet at least. So I'm gonna cut the stuff up, I'm gonna pile it up, and I'm gonna just let it sit there. I'll find a spot for it. I'm gonna just let it sit there till next fall, and then I'll burn it. This one right here was my main vine there on my blackberry. It broke it, right? But it didn't break it all the way through. See, right there, it's still half attached, and that's all you need. That half right there will still send plenty of energy through the vine there to produce blackberries off of the branches that are going to branch off of this vine. Also over here, right, I'm glad, right here in the spot, this is where I have my bamboo, my clumping bamboo that my good friend, the woodcutter sent me, Arkansas woodcutter sent me. I had a cage over it, and it kind of helped it a bit because it might have snapped a few of those little branches that are just starting, to take off. And we don't want them all busted up before they get going, you know what I'm saying? So over there's that wire mesh, that wire fencing that I had around it. It's all mangled up. Because, again, like I'm saying, these are just branches off the side, and just picking those up wear you out. So, got the chickens over here enjoying the day because I have to fix their fence as well. The fence got broken by a tree over there, so I let them out again. They come out here every day anyway. Right now, for at least for another month, I'm still gonna let them over here on this side before I get the garden going over here. Then I won't let them over here no more because they come over here and mess up everything. go. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Jada, come on. Come on. Come on. Your ass gonna be locked out. Come on. This is when you know your chickens are happy. Every day, you know, this winter time still, right? Every day, they load me up, baby. This some happy chickens. Y'all stay here. Jada's gonna sleep outside at night. You gonna sleep outside, Jada? Gonna be crying later on to get in. All right, guys, so Jada's being stubborn, so I just let all the birds back out. They'll all come back in later on. So after dinner sometime, I'll come back here and I'll lock this gate up and they'll be all set. Because I don't lock up their run, so they have access to the whole area. So I just come and lock this gate. So, all right, anyway, you all guys take care. I had a long day of work out here dealing with the tree, doing some planting around the property, and working on this fence here. Had to get this fixed up because Ricky has dog walking business and his dogs come over here, and some time ago one of the dogs in there, Stella, got in here and took Ike's tail off before before Ike's passing. All right, y'all take care. God bless.